And what is up, guys? So today we are making another YouTube video, and today is another Legends of Speed. I don't know if it's going to be the last Legends of Speed, but we have Rayshawn again and Rayshawn's friend in today. So, okay, Legends of Speed. That's Rayshawn.
You're slow. Look how fast I am. You don't even move that fast. Karina, run. Okay. 3, 2, okay. Karina,
okay,
look at me. I just went across the map.
Okay, so
join the race, Karina.
Oh, there's a race going on right now. Okay, so
my speed is 196.
Oh, boom, I made that one. So I have the Red Kitty, Gold Phoenix, Green Golem, and Silver Dog. Rayshawn, you're in third.
I got second. Karina, where are you? Hey, Pretzel.
Oh, I totally forgot.
The sky. The blue sky and clouds. Ah! I just flew across the map. We should see if Jordan wants to play.
I don't care.
Yeah, leveling up's good.
Jordan could play. I don't care.
My cousin doesn't care who plays in the video. So
I'll just let anybody play.
He will let anybody play.
Except for I know I'm not allowed to say this, but except for some B word.
Karina, what's your speed?
Okay. Rayshawn, where are you?
I'm at the 150 ramp.
150 ramp. Okay.
After this, Karina, after the video we're making, wanna play Brookhaven or whatever you wanna play. Karina, there's other ramps, you know. I'm gonna go race, okay?
I'm gonna go in this race too. I know this is not lightning speed because I just saw some. Okay, desert. This is the easiest race ever.
I just run by you.
I know that.
My thing is lagging so much because I'm so fast, and I'm only a hot rod. I see a rookie by me.
Bro, I'm so stupid. I am so darn stupid.
Fourth place. Oh. Do you see? I wish we were in person so I can show you where the other ramps are. Yay, my speed is 200 miles per hour.
Mine's is 80. How's yours 200?
I am too overpowered.
What the?
Karina, follow me, okay? There's someone named Milkshake Oreo P. Karina.
Okay, so
follow me. You see me?
No, I need that 400.
Turn, then this way, then turn.
Jumped over some trees, jumped over a Nedu tree, boom.
Hey, then I see you.
I know, I see you too.
Where the heck are you, Karina? Okay, stay there, okay? I know where you're at.
Actually, no, I'm not going to be able to record right now because I don't have enough storage.
I'm right here. Okay.
Okay.
Rayshawn, where are you? At least I just leveled up. But I can't find you, Rayshawn.
Join the race. I thought I just saw someone named Jesus.
Oh. Someone just was named Pretzel. Who the heck is Pretzel? Ray, is that your friend?
Yeah. Yeah, Karina's Pretzel.
What?
I'm second.
Dad, no way. That ain't fair. I gotta be second.
How?
Someone's named Ramen the Dragon. Ramen the Dragon.
Karina. Emmy, call you? Did Emriella call you?
No.
She said she has to do housework again. She asked if I'm going to be up till like 8 or 9.
Oh, I guess
My speed is 204. If I
That ain't fair. My speed's
hit
only
a
8.
building, I just instantly get knocked down. That's sad. What the heck are you?
I have 2 red bunnies now. This ain't fair. Wait, no, I have a red kitty and a red bunny. Freak. Okay, good. Oh, I just. This ain't fair. I don't want to do rebirth. Ray, is there a way you could cancel rebirth?
There's someone named Tom Holland on here.
Well, if Tom Holland's playing right now.
My cousin said, what if Tom Holland's playing? That would be sad. He's like a grown man. Did you join, Karina? What's up, Pretzel? What's your speed?
I just saw Pretzel.
Someone copied my outfit.
Bro, I am so trash. I can't
I'm
believe it.
so fast, bro.
I know. You're so fast and I'm so trash. There's an opposite of our name. I'm fast and you're trash. I mean, I'm trash and you're fast.
Karina. We saw
Die.
Emmy. E-M-I. Guess what that means? She plays Legend of Speed. She said it was boring, so.
Has reached level 2.
And there's someone named Jealous. And I lied. There's someone named Oliver. I don't like that name. That's a weird name.
Okay,
Someone's
so
name is Shark Boy and Lava Girl. Literally. Okay, I don't care.
okay,
I
so
have to go. Okay. Bye.
okay, so here we go. What's this gonna be?
Rex.
No, I just got Silver Dog. I already have Silver Dog.
What? That in here because it is
Blue Storm. Okay.
I
So
thought you just jumped in the poop. And I thought you were going to play outside.
well, I just want to play. I'm making a YouTube video. This one might
Someone
actually.
is flying. Literally.
I don't get to fly because I'm on the freaking.
Karina's still playing.
You guys could tattoo each other. Hey, it just went. No, I could have gotten third or second.
I messed up.
No, Brax, out of the room, please.
Rex, I just saw Karina.
Brax.
What?
Okay, so here we go.
Karina is still in.
What speed is she?
Her speed is, I don't know.
Oh,
She's
bro.
jumping into hoops. She's in the game.
I'm just jumping on buildings. I don't care what I'm doing. All I'm doing is jumping on buildings. No, that ain't fair. Yes! And I just got a level up. 102k steps. 1,200k I meant. Oh, okay, so race. Magamom.
After this race, I'm gonna play Brookhaven with Karina because I texted her and said that. Sorry.
Okay, no, it's fine.
Karina called. It says Karina. It said Karina to new number. It said Karina to new number. Bye.
Bye.
Look, see? I just did that. It's us. No, we're gonna play. No, let's play Brookhaven, okay? You get it first and I join you, but follow me, okay?
Wait, this makes no sense. Why am I... This happened to me before.
Let's play. I only texted that.
Oh, I literally just did the sickest move I ever saw. Boom, 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 boom. Rex, all the way down, please. You said you would turn it all the way down, so you can't lie to me now.
Yes.
Yeah? But, okay, freeze. Okay, so we are playing. I told you I'm playing a game. Okay, so we are still on the travel to getting off Rebirth. So I'm gonna keep No Way Home. No Way Home is now on Blu-ray 4K Ultra HD and digital. Awesome. Awesome.
Oh, I got some.
Shrax, you keep on. You're gonna mess up my video. Could you please quiet? But you're not. And I told you I'm making a video. I'm not gonna upload this video. Well, I actually am. Sorry. Cousin keeps on being annoying and keeps on talking. And guys, that is that. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe. Please hit that like. And I'll see you next time.